Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the json.stringify command in Hise. So we have an object here, and this could be considered a JSON object. It's in the correct format. We have the curly braces at each end and then the data in the middle in key value pairs. So we've got a key and then an array, and then we've got a key and a string, and we've got another key and a number. So it's your standard JavaScript object, and it's also the same as a JSON object. Now, there are times when you're going to want to use this as a string, and we can convert it to a string really easily. We just type json.stringify and then put the name of the variable we want to convert. And if I hit F5, hopefully no errors. Yeah, we don't see anything either. If I open the script watch table, we can see the value O here at the top. That's our original object. If I right click on that, we can see there's the object. And underneath it, we can see our string version, which is called S. And it doesn't fit on the screen here, but that's the stringed version, the stringified version of our object. We can also print this to the console. And we can see the object there printed as a string. Thank you for joining me for this quick tip video. I hope you found this useful. As always, if you like the video, please click the like button on YouTube and subscribe if you want to see more like this. And I'll see you next time.